Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to get Discord ID. Make sure to subscribe to Fix It for more tutorials. So the first step is to open Discord. Once you are inside Discord, you are going to head to your profile and find Advanced Settings. Here you will find developer options. As you can see, it is unchecked right now. You are going to toggle it on. Then head back and open a chat, or you can also head to your profile. Tap on your profile and it will copy your ID automatically. Then you can paste it and share with anyone and anywhere you want. This is how you can get your Discord ID. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to Fix It. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.